If you are a content creator, especially on YouTube, thumbnails are really important. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use thumbs.ai to generate Thai CTR thumbnails with one click. To get started, go on this website called thumbs.ai and on the right, click Start for Free. Now you can start with a free account which gives you 20 credits, which allows you to create up to 5 thumbnails for free. Now once inside, click Create Thumbs, and here is the main section where you can start creating your thumbnails. I'm going to start with a small example where I'm going to generate a thumbnail for this specific video using text. I'm going to say a beginner's tutorial for thumbs.ai. Now that prompt is pretty simple, but I can just click Enhance to improve the quality of this prompt so I get more details. All right, our enhanced prompt is now ready. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure my YouTube section is selected right here. And I'm going to generate 2 variations of this, which is going to cost me 4 credits, and click Generate Thumbnail. All right, as you see, our 2 thumbnails are ready. If you click on one of them, you'll see how high quality these thumbnails are. Next, I'm going to show you how to generate a thumbnail from an image. So I have this image of a robot that I got from Pexels, so I'm going to use that. And for the prompt, I'm going to say, will AI take our jobs? And I'm going to enhance that again as well. Now, along with an image and a prompt, I can also choose a specific style. For that, I'm going to click Show Style right here and choose from one of the options available here. I'm going to go with this one called Epic Scene. I'm going to keep it as YouTube and have 2 variations again and click Generate Thumbnail. And there we go. We have our 2 thumbnails ready using the image we provided and the style I chose. The thumbnails I showed you till now did not use your own face, but if you're a creator who shows your face on camera, you can go and click Add Your Face right here. So I'm going to add the image of this person right here. Now, if you don't have a picture of yourself showing a specific emotion, you can add that with one click. So here, I'm going to click Fearful and click Generate. And I'm going to name this Professional Fearful and click Save and use the space. Now for the prompt, I'm going to say, is software engineering dead? Show how robots might be taking our jobs. And I'm going to enhance this prompt again. And there we have it. Our improved prompt is now ready. I'm going to keep my face, the fearful version of it, selected. And I'm going to choose a style reference this time as hyper sharp. And generate 2 variations of our YouTube thumbnail and click Generate Thumbnail. And as you see, 2 versions of that thumbnail is ready. I personally like the one to the left. Now, if you're like me who does research on what kind of thumbnails have worked for other YouTubers, you can go on Downloader right here and paste the URL of a specific YouTube video of a different creator. I'm going to go to my own channel and copy the links of one of my videos and paste it right here. And here I can extract the thumbnail of this video directly. And as you see, I got the thumbnail image of the video link that I provided. Now you can do the same thing for a batch of YouTube videos if you can provide the YouTube URLs one after the other, or you can provide a channel link right here. Now they also have some other features which are coming up, but if you want to see all the assets and creations you did on your own, you can just click on the asset and creation section. And like I showed before, your face and emotions are all saved here as well. You can use any of these images previously generated and download them directly and use as an image. Now they have different kinds of subscriptions available and they are cheaper if you pay yearly. You can have the premium version which has 160 monthly credits, the ultimate with 800, and the master one with 2000 monthly credits, with each thumbnail generation to be around 2 credits each. Now if you want to sign up to thumbs.ai, I have a link in my description. And if that was valuable to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I have a lot more videos coming up. Till the next one, thank you so much.